Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a video so we can talk about Printify. Okay, so you can actually use Printify on its own on their website. They have a standalone website and you can sign up for it. I have it as an app in my Shopify store, so I'm going to access it from that way. But like I said, they do have a full site. And if I click this, that is what will open up their full site here with their catalogs and then all of their information and all the integrations. Okay. So since I already have this set up, I'll do that. Please make sure you guys, wow, I'm just like unprepared this time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So in my back office, what I see first is says explore best selling. So let's look at the best selling collection. And Printify has different print providers, so you can choose from which one you like. So they have a few things here. There's stickers, embroidery, socks, t-shirts, notebook, things like that. They also have new arrivals, organic t-shirt dress, Eco Smart pullover, a pet bowl, spiral bound journal, and then this is everything they have right here. So I am going to go to the catalog and let me see. I want you guys to see what I mean when I say print provider. So they have different print providers here. So a lot of people talk about Big Oven, Tees. Um, the one that I like, is Monster Digital. Oh, there it goes. I enjoy Monster Digital. I've also gotten a few stuff from My Locker, and Print Geek, I believe. And then see one of their fulfillment is Print It Make. So that's dope as well. So let's see what Print It Make has, what they fulfill for Printify. So do the bowls, the collars, and the bandanas. Just gonna go back. So if you want to like search by providers, you can do that and see what's in the US. And it'll just give you all the printers in the US. But because like I said, I love Monster Digital, they have 22 products that are available here on Printify. So let's see which one. I already have a design. I do have a crew neck sweatshirt from them that is really good quality that I love. And they have a second page here, so let's see what's on that page. It's like a tank top. Okay. And because I kind of want to do something that's out of the norm, let's see what type of bags they have. So the makeup pouch in the tote, they have a cotton tote bag, a clutch bag, canvas tote. So it's embroidery. Let's see, let's check on this one. Okay. So I want to know where it's done by My Lock has 8.5. So I really want to know is, let me go back real quick because it shows so much information. So it gives you the base price, shipping price, size, how many shipping days, and where you can print at. So it says front side. So I would only be able to put this design on the front side on Printify, right? So here you edit, preview, need help, need a template, things like that. You can do that. What they want, the recommended size is 1200 by 1200. Let's see what happens if I upload something that's larger, to see if that'll make a difference. What they say is too big. Okay, so it's not too big. And then it says embroidery must do checklist. Photos, gradients, small details. Embroidery designs cannot be resized or repositioned. So that's one thing you'll know right there. So we got all that down. I hate when I can't like go down on these things. So I'm gonna hit preview to see what it looks like. And that's the front. That's the back. So it has like it's khaki with black black straps. And that's another preview of it. So then you just save your product, okay? And then if you wanted to add something else, let's see, mugs, ornaments, home decor, blankets. Let's see the mug. So they have different types. They have a tumbler, water bottles. Let's look at this. I'm gonna look at that enamel camp mug. They also have this heart one, heart shaped mug, and a can holder. They have black mugs, latte mugs. So let's check out the enamel campfire mug. And I'm just gonna put the same exact design on it, but I'm just showing you how easy this is. So they have district photo as the fulfillment. Starts at $9. Shipping is $4.10, about 3 days, and you can only print on the front side. So then you would, if you would choose that, you would hit start designing. You would add your design. Just gonna use the one I just had. And then I'll put it over this way. And then I'll look at the preview just to see if that spacing looks good for me. And I want it to come over just a little bit. So I'm gonna hit preview again. I'm concerned about what it looks on the right side, because that's the side most people will be looking at. Look like I can move it back over just a tad to get it perfect, or in my opinion, so where I like it. And there we go. And then from there, you can save your product. And you have another one. And then as far as shirts go, anything else is kind of the same. With Printify, super easy to upload here. So you can also hit the get the samples to get your samples of things that you created. So if I want that, I'll get that, continue with shipping, put my information and all that in, and then I'll purchase my product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of me just playing around with Printify and showing you the different printers and how you can quickly and easily upload a design on their products to get you started. It is a fulfillment company that you can do drop shipping with and print on demand for your business. So until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.